you so much, my love. Then I'm going to add my macaroni here. I'm going to add another one here. And this one, this is it, guys. Then I'm going to add my cream up. Thank you, Sid, for being here. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate your support. Like this, I'm going to add sauce, guys. Didn't drop first, and this one I'm going to add here. Like this. I think I need to look for a spoon for a spoon, and I didn't look for it. Guys, let me put so that you can wash it properly. Thank you for the love, my sister. You're showing me. I really appreciate you so much. Okay, let's take all this and put it here properly. After adding everything, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese up like this. Like this. Okay, it's done, guys. This is it. I'm going to put it in the